Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing a natural makeup no makeup look, a natural glam look. I don't want to call it glam look, actually a makeup no makeup video. Alright, so we want to look like we're not wearing makeup, but we actually have makeup because we want to wear makeup, but we don't want people to tell them we're wearing makeup. You know what I mean? Look, I'm going to be using my Rimmel London Lasting Finish Foundation, 25-hour foundation in the shade Nutmeg. It has SPF 20. There's a full coverage. It says Skin Perfecting Full Coverage Foundation. Actually, for me, this foundation is more skin-like finish, and that's why I feel like it's the best foundation to use for a makeup no makeup look. So I'm going to blend it all out. Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more foundation around this area because it looks a little darker. So I just, obviously if we're going to be using makeup, then why not perfect certain things, you know what I mean? I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to use this the way you'd use a highlighting concealer, but obviously this is not as bright as a usual highlighting concealer would be because we're doing a more natural look. So you want to use a concealer very close to your shade, just because you need concealer. And I'm blending it all out. The key to natural looking makeup is the perfect blend. So literally blend, and keep on blending until it all looks seamless and it's all merged and blended into each other. So I'm going to use my Yardley loose powder, translucent powder, for powder, just so your concealer doesn't melt away during the day, you know, and it stays intact and in place. Then I'm going to use some for my eyelids as well to set my eyelids, since I'm not going to be doing eyeshadow. To contour, I'm using my Essence Mattifying Compact Powder in the shade Espresso, and I'm just lightly contouring. And there by my jawline as well, and my forehead. With a smaller brush, I contour my nose, there by the sides. For blush, I'm using my Essence Matte Touch blush in the shade Peach Me Up. For me, blush is essential, but I mean it's optional for some people, so do what floats your boat, boo. Then some for my nose and my contour. forehead contour right there, just a little bit. And because I'm not doing any eyeshadow today, I'm just going to lightly sweep over my eyelids with this blush brush. Okay, so for some people, highlighter might not be a thing. It doesn't need to be a thing in this kind of look, but for me, I'm going to use the Rimmel London Kate's highlighting palette. I'm going to use that gold shade in the middle right there. And the key is to use as minimal as possible, okay? Don't use too much. Don't overdo it. A little bit there, right there in the inner corner. And there underneath the brow. Then of course you need some mascara, and for that I'm using the Revlon Dramatic Definition Mascara. To line my lips, I'm using my Essence Eyebrow Design in the shade Brown. For lipstick, I'm using the Essence Matte lipstick in the shade Perfect Match. And I'm just dabbing that in the middle. Not using a lot of it, just dabbing lightly. And to seal the deal, I'm using the Essence Plumbing Nudes Lip Gloss in the shade Big Softy. And this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you think I nailed it. I think I nailed it. Comment down below and let me know in the comment section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video.